This is Packet Tracer 1.3.4, Placing ACLs. Our objectives are to verify network connectivity by examining access control lists that are configured on the routers, determine the appropriate interface to apply the ACLs, and examine the effects of the ACL. In step 1, we're going to verify the network connectivity. We're going to ping all of the PCs, but to shorten it, I'm going to ping all of the PCs from one PC, and then we'll ping the servers as well. So let's go to PC sales 1, desktop command prompt, and we're going to start pinging. So we're going to ping is marketing 1, 192.168.20.2, and we have a reply from that. The next one is sales 2, so ping 192.168.11.2. Do we have a reply from that? The next one is marketing 2, so ping marketing 2 is 192.168.21.2, and we have a reply from that one as well. The next PC is RND1, so ping 192.168.30.2, and we get a reply from that one. The HR PC is next, ping 192.168.40.3, and we have a reply from that one. The next one is the RND2, so we're going to ping 192.168.31.2. We have a reply from that one. The last one is HR2, so it's ping 192.168.41.2, and we have a reply from that one. We're also going to ping the internet host from this PC, so ping 201.11.10.2. Well, we did get a reply on the end. We can ping it again just to be sure. Now we have replies. So let's ping the servers as well from this PC. The first is the web server. We're going to ping 192.168.0.3. We have a reply from that one. Next one, sales server 192.168.10.2. And there's a reply from that one. HR server now 192.168.40.2, and we get a reply from that one. And the last server we're going to ping is the DNS 2.168.0.4. So we get a reply from that one. So this PC can communicate with each of the PCs and the servers. Close that. Now we're going to go to the internet host PC, desktop, and then the web browser. We're going to check to see if the internet host can access the web server, the sales server, and the HR server. In the URL, we're going to type in 192.168.0.3. You can see the welcome to the web server, 10.2, and you can see that it changed to the sales server from here. The final one is the HR server, which is 40.2, and you can see it changed to welcome to the HR server. So we can connect to each of these servers from here. We don't want all of these PCs accessing some of these servers, such as the HR server. We only want HR users to access the HR server. So we're going to use ACLs to keep them from accessing this server. But we also want to make sure that all the external web traffic goes only to the web server. Step 2 is to examine the access control lists that are configured on the routers. The first one is to access the distribution 2 router. Go to the command line, enable to do a show run. This will give you an overall configuration summary, and we're looking for the access lists, which you see here is access list 1, permit 192.168.40.0. You can do a show access dash lists 1, and it'll give you the same information, and you won't have to go through all of the configurations to get to what you're looking for. Let's go to the gateway router, the command line, enable show run, and there you can see our access list 100 it has the permit, deny, permit. So show access dash list 100. And we can see that it's extended. Step 3, we need to determine the appropriate interface to apply the ACLs. The information is already in there. We just need to apply them. So we need to figure out whether inbound or outbound. Extended ACLs should be applied closest to the source, and standard should be closest to the destination. So we're going to start with distribution to route and go into conft, which is configure terminal. Our appropriate interface for the .40 is on a fast Ethernet 0/0 interface. INTFA 0/0 enter. Now we're in the sub interface. So type in IP access group. The number was 1, so put that in. And this is going to be outbound. So I'm going to put out, end, and copy run start. Next, we need to go to the gateway, conft, and the interface that we're going to use, so INTFA 0/0 and IP access group, and the number was 100. We're going to do in, then end, copy run start. Now that we have our ACLs applied, in step 4, we need to examine the effects of the ACL. So the internet host should be able to ping any device in the network except for HR1 or the HR server. Go to the internet host, go to the command prompt. Let's ping the sales1 computer, which is 192.168.10.3, and we get a reply. Now let's see if it can ping the HR1 or HR server. Ping 192.168.40.3, destination host unreachable. So our ACL is working for that. Now let's try the server. Ping 192.168.40.2, and it also says that the host is unreachable. So that's good. Now I'm going to try to access the web server from the browser. So let's open up the browser, 192.168.0.3, and it can still access the web server. So the next we try is the sales server, which is 192.168.10.2, and it timed out. And we're going to go to HR2 PC, and it should be able to access the HR server, and I'm going to use ping. So it's 192.168.40.1, and it has a reply, so it can access the HR server. Close this one down and then go to RND2, 192.168.40.2, and the destination host unreachable. So it can't get into the HR server. And that is Packet Tracer 1.3.4, placing ACLs.